Hi, it's Carol. How are you? I hope this is what I went out with today. My denim New York City hat and my blue hoodie. Oh, these are so comfortable. It's got that, you know, it's like a bathrobe, but it doesn't look like a bathrobe when you're out. It's just like a nice little jacket, and you could go like this too. You can put it down like a shawl, like a stole, and you know, if you get hot, and then you could just put it off your shoulder. And that's how I go out. I try to get like a matching jacket to go with my hat, and then I'm protected from the sun and from all the rays and the collagen killing rays. Today I'm going to take you downstairs and I'm going to show you this new console that I bought for under my TV. I just got the console and I had to hire somebody to put it together for me. And it's very, very cute. I just want to show you some cute things that I did with it. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's really nice, so I'd like to show it to you. Let's go downstairs. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on that little red banner and the little bell, and then you'll get notified when I put up a video. And here we go. Away we go. Let's go downstairs. Okay, here is my new console. I got this on Amazon. It was $109 plus $49.99 for shipping. And then I opened up an Amazon card and they gave me $40 off. Woo! So I was happy about that. It's got 1 door, 2 doors, 3 doors, and 2 shelves. And I picked this combo, white with this wood color here. Now, you see the stripes? I put the stripes there, and let me show you how. I found this in my house. I didn't even know I had it. But I found this wood grain duct tape. Do you see that? It says duct tape. So I kind of like that look of the wood, but I didn't want it all wood. So I just put a stripe here, a stripe there, and a stripe over here. How cool is that? Oh, and I had the guy drill holes in the back so I could put my wires through. Because, you know, I do everything here. I'm the handyman. So that's my new TV console. And that's my Alexa. Uh-oh.
Well, hello. Want to hear something funny? And ask me for the joke of the day.
Okay, joke of the day.
Today, I've got a cross the road joke. Why did the baby chick cross the road? To meet up with her peeps.
Okay, thank you. Oh, and then down here I have my CDG, I mean, what are these called? My movies and my discs. And I have 2 rows of that. And then I have a noise shaker. And then I have my new drumsticks and my new drum, because I do want to go to a drum circle. They're so much fun. But when my kids come over and my grandkids, we have a ball. I make them all sit in a circle. Now we've got drums and these things, and then I got this. I'll have to put the name down for you because I always forget what name it is. It's a koala something. Oh, a kalimba. Kalimba. Watch this. Like you don't have enough to do with your thumbs with the telephones. Anyway, this is the cutest. Okay, so that's another instrument. So I just put it in the back. I put the drums here. And then the drumsticks. And then, over here, oh, see this tape? This tape is wild. It's got foam. It's double-sided, but I don't use it for the double side. I just use it for one side, and it's so easy to stick something on with this because it's got some substance. You know, it's not just a skinny piece of tape. I like it. Then I have this for the kids when they come. And I have this. This is like the ocean. And when we're jamming away, you know, I give all of them one of these. Ooh, it's very soothing. And then I have this. I have these, 2 of these. I hand these out. And then I have, these are microphones. And what else? These are microphones. Oh, look at this one. I have this in pink also. I love this. Oh, look at this. It's like a cartoon. Hello?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Look, it lights up.
The Bluetooth device
See?
is connected successfully.
Thank you. She's Asian. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Yes, you can. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's too cute.
Power off.
Power off, she says. So, this is only some of the goodies. I have 2 suitcases by the couch. I'll show
The
you.
Bluetooth device power off.
Okay, thank you. Power off. Okay, so we put that there. Oh, we have to put these away. Okay, these things are adorable. And now I want to show you the 6 different styles that this console comes in. They're really beautiful. For $109, I thought it was great. And it could hold a big TV if you don't want to mount the TV on the wall. You could just put it on top of this. Okay, on to the other goodies. So let me show you what else I have for the kids when they come over. I have these 2 suitcases loaded, and I keep them near the sofa. I'm trying to open it. Okay, there we go. Boop, boop. Okay. Ooh. First, we have these ice cream cones. And I'll show you what they do. Here's one. Here's another one. Now, what I'll do is hand them out to the kids. And when I count to 3, I'll tell them to push the button. And they'll push the button, and this is what will happen. Boop, boop. How cute is that? And then you just fill it up. They'll be doing this all night. All night. This will keep them entertained. It'll keep me entertained, too. Boop. I love that. Okay. The next thing is these finger chickens. And I'll show you what you do. You put your finger in here. And then you... I don't know how to do this. This is not going to work. Ooh, okay. Okay. Let me show you the video. Okay, they're going to be flinging that all over my house. Next, we have these. And I'm not sure what this is, so I had to look it up again. I mean, I do have, like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3. I have about 30 of them. And I have no idea what they do. So let's look at the video and see. Okay, so I thought maybe you would throw it, but instead you're going to bounce it. Woo! Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah. How fun is that? Well, that's going to be bouncing all over my house. They're going to be laughing and having fun. Next, I have some drumsticks with like rubber tips. So we could play anything. We could to the music, and we'll have music blasting, and kids will be dancing, and we'll do some karaoke. And then I found this. How cute is this? Oh, I just thought that was too adorable. That is a little musical instrument. So that's in one suitcase. They're going to love this. And now, let's do this one. Ooh, what's in here? Okay. Oh, we have fake puff cigarettes. 12 of them. 2 packs, 6 and 6. And you puff on them, and little powder comes out. And then we have puffing cigars. They're going to love this. We just all sit around smoking a fake cigar. I have my weights in here. So if anybody wants to do some weights, they're 5-pounders each. Nicole Miller, I got them at Marshall's. And they're ankle weights or wrist weights. And believe me, these really do wonders. Wonders for your body. Okay. Now I have this game. Now, the first time I set it up and the kids came over to eat, I couldn't get over how fast they ran right to this game. So you just put the the goalie post. It's the goalie post. You hook it up. You put one at one end, one at the other end. Here's the ball. And what you do, that's an extra one. Somebody does the white socks and somebody does the orange socks. And they play. The kids, I didn't even tell them to do it. They just gravitated. When they saw it on the table, they just ran right over and started playing it. The youngest of my grandchildren is 19. This keeps them entertained for hours. We all love to play these games. I have Which Would You Choose, Travel Trivia, and How Well Do You Know Me? And what I do is I hand this whole pack to one of the kids, and I let them announce. And, okay, it's a How Well Do You Know Me? What did I do on my last birthday? You could focus it on one person, and then you could have everybody answer, and then the winner gets a prize, or, it's fun. So they love competitions. And then this is too cute. I haven't even used this yet. I put the batteries in here. So what it is, these are buzzers. Now you could go beep, beep, like if you're got a contest going and the first one does the answer wins, and they're all different colors. We could scatter them all around the living room. And really what they are for is press and hold the record until a beep sound is heard, indicating that the recording has begun. Then you record your voice, speak directly into it, end the recording, and then I think it's to train your dog. But I bought it to have to play it in a game. Message. Okay, it's a way to train your animals. I bought it to play with my kids. I just thought it was too cute. Like, you know, when you see a winner, it goes beep, beep. That's what I want to do when I'm with them. I want to, like, everybody pound on one of these buttons when they have the right answer. Plus, we have the music blasting, and then the kids start doing the Wii on the TV, dancing on the Wii, or we do karaoke. I have like 3 karaoke machines. So we have a lot of fun, keep them very entertained, and keep myself entertained. So, okay, so before I go, I want to do a shout out. Okay, so I want to say hi to Mrs. the Doll. She has a YouTube channel. I'll put her link down below. Pink for Marie, Jean Jacobs, Rose the Over 70 makeup artist, and I'll put her link down below. She has a channel, and she's recuperating very nicely, slowly, but she's recuperating from a few falls. Sherry Light, HRH Paula, Diane Lee, Julie Smith, Annette Hankins, The Night Owl, Margaret Mercado, Barbara Cosentino, Din 7994, Angela Jane Lomax, Cross Rose, Calypso 13100. So some more thank yous for your comments. Roses by the Beach, Mary Ellen After 60, Double Blessing, Melissa 55. So I just want to say thank you, ladies. Thank you for sharing your time with me and supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, you haven't commented, don't worry. But you can if you want. It's free. You just hit the little subscribe banner and the little bell and do the thumbs up thing. It's good for the algorithm. So anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all.